Yep, just I'm gonna collect the in the old days they called it tin foil. So the aluminum foil. So right here, oh look at that right, oh whoa, that is, see how the bone comes out? That's a leg bone, a big leg bone of, oh, that's not the femur, George, that's the humerus, that's the front leg bone of a mouse. You got yours there, excellent. Over in here, you can see the bones right away. I can see some, right there's a tooth, can you see that tooth right there? Oh, you got the front teeth. That's the whole skull right there. That's the jaws, and that's the nose and the top of the head over there. Well, yep. Well, again, remember. So what I try to do is I'll try to pull some fur. See that the fur's coming out easily, and there's a little leg bone there. And then if you get a paper clip, you can sort of scratch at some of the fur to get it more. So right there, and here I'll divide this one in half. Oh, this one. Oh, this is a little bit harder to divide in half. But right here, that's a tooth of a mouse. This is the leg of a mouse right here. It's coming out pretty easily. But you can see, sort of, Mom can help it a little bit. Try to pull it apart, and here's one bone. That's a jawbone of a mouse. That happens to be the right jawbone. There should be a matching left side jawbone.